Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is multiplication. Did you all understand the previous chapter, children, about subtraction? Very good. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me in the interactive session. Here in multiplication, also we have certain properties. So before we can move on to our chapter, I want you to open your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook, a rough book, a pencil, pen, and work it out along with me. Children, rough book is very important because I told you anytime I'm going to ask you a rough book and I'm going to check. Got it? Please open it. Okay. Now, in your textbook, open page 109. Page number 109. Got it? Okay. In multiplication, when we talk about the properties of multiplication, okay, what do you mean about if multiplication, if I tell, what comes in your mind, children? That means you're multiplying certain numbers. No, for example, you have 365 children in a class, and in the next class you have the same 365 children, and the next class you have same 365 children. How can you multiply this? Instead of you adding 365 plus 365 plus 365, you can directly do 365 into 3. Got it? You will get the same answer. So, multiple additions in a simpler way is called as multiple additions in a simpler way is called multiplication. Got it, children? If simply instead of wasting time of adding a larger number in many ways, you can just multiply it in a single way. Got it? That is known as multiplication. Repetition of addition is known as multiplication. Got it? Now we'll start with the properties. Children, in properties, can you see? Okay. You have 0, 1 order group. If you have 0, how will you do your multiplication? Just think, if you have 0, how you will do? Any number multiplied with 0, you get 0. 3 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 0 nines are 0. Or even 2946 into 0 is equal to 0. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Understood? Don't forget this. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Okay. Next we have 1. So, any number multiplied with 1. 341 into 1 is equal to 341. Any number multiplied with 1, you get the same number. Correct, no, children? 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 1, 4 ones are 1, 59 ones are 1, 69 ones are 1. Or even you can take in lakhs. 10 lakh into 1 is 1, or you can take 21 lakh, 47,356 into 1 is 1. Any number into 1 is 1. Understood? Next, order. If you talk about order, what comes in your mind? Now, 3 twos are 6. Correct? No? If you take 3 twos are 6, you get 6. Or 2 threes are 6 also, you get 6. You multiply vice versa, you get the same number. Understood? 3 twos are 6 or 2 threes are 6. So, even if you change the order, even if the order changes, the answer remains the same. Understood? Now, 3 twos are 6 it can be, or 2 threes are 6. The order remains the same. Understood, children? Next. But remember that multiplication has 4 properties. It has 4 properties. Understood? Next, group. Now in group, you have 3 numbers. Okay. 3, 6 and 9. 3, 6 and 9. You have to multiply this. When you see a group, it may be in addition, subtraction or multiplication. For you, I told you in addition, if you have more numbers, how you should add? Using which property? You have 2 properties, right? Using associative property. Associative property is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Got it, children? Instead of adding plus, we use multiply. multiplication in multiplication method. Understood? Now you have 3 into 6 into 9. You should do 3 into 6 into 9. A plus B plus C. Okay. So 3 into 6 into 9 is equal to 3 into 6 into 9. Got it? So 3 6 are 12 into 9 is equal to 3 into 9 6 are 9 5 are 45. 9 6 are 54. 54. Now 9 1s are 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 108 is equal to 3 4s are, how much is 3 4s are? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 2 1 carry over. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Sorry, 6 3s are 18 children. 18. 9 8s are 72. So 2 1 carry over. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10. 9 1s are 9 10. Okay. So see 102. Children, in group you have 3 numbers. You to multiply we wrote, right? 3 into 6 into 9. How will you write? 3 into 6 into 9 is equal to 3 into 6 into 9. Understood? This one, how much is 3 6 are? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 6, 3s are 18. 18 into 9 is equal to 3 into 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. Got it? Now 9 8s are how much? 9 5s are 40, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72. So 2 7 carry over. 9 1s are 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Got it? 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 162. Here 4 3s are 12. So 2 1 carry over. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. So 162 162. Both the sides we are getting 162 and 162. Got it, children? So in group you have to use associative property. Don't forget, in group you should use associative property. You should use associative property in multiplication and work it out. You will get the same answer. Got it, children? Now this is one property of group. Okay. Next, one is multiplying into one number. Now you have 34 into 2. How will you multiply? You have one number, no children. How will you multiply this? 2 4s are, 2 3s are. So you will never write multiplication in this way. You will write always multiplication in a horizontal way, not in a vertical way. So it will come like this, 34 into 2. Got it? So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Got it? Your multiplication will always be in a horizontal way, not in a vertical way. Got it, children? Now, you may imagine, in addition we had one name, in subtraction we had one name, then obviously for multiplication also names will be, no? Now you have 2 3s are 6. What is this name, what is this name and what is this name? This is called a multiplicand. Multiplicand. This is called a multiplier. This is called a multiplier. This is called, what is this called then? The last one, multiplicand, multiplier, and if that was difference, this is product. Very good. This is called a product. Multiplicand, multiplier, product. Understood, children? First one is your multiplicand, multiplier, product. Understood? Now, two numbers we learn to subtract. We have to subtract it this way, not in this way. Understood? Next, we'll subtract two numbers. One number over now, two numbers. Can we subtract it in this way? No. What we should do? Arrange it. So 29 into 50. Okay. 29 into 50. First, 0 nines are. First, always start with the last number, 0. 0 nines are 0. 0 twos are 0. Then, because we are multiplying the first number, we have to put a plus mark below the first number. Understood? Put a plus mark below the first number. 5 nines are 45. So 5, 4 carry over. 5 twos are 10 plus here 14. Now add this one. 0, 5, 4, 1. Got it, children? This is the way we do two-digit multiplication. We have to place it in a vertical way, place it below that and start multiplying your units place with the whole number, then your tens place. Understood? Now next, can you see that? We are going to multiply with 10, 100, 1000. Got it, children? How are you going to multiply with 10, 100,000? Now you have 10, 100,000. How are you going to multiply with that? 60 into 10 if they give you. Take 6. 6. How many zeros are there here? 1. Here another one. 600. Next you have 700. Let 700 write as it is. How many zeros you have? 2. Next, what number is given? Write exactly the same. 2, 6, 5, 9 in 0. How many zeros are? 1. So 1 0. Next, even if you have a larger number, no need to worry. Write the number as it is. 1, 2, 9, 7, 4, 5. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 60. Write 60. How many zeros? 0. So 600. Like that, if you are multiplying with 10, 100, 1000, it is very easy. You only have to put the number of zeros, whether it is 10 means 1 0, 100 means 2 0, 1000 means 3, 10,000 4, lakh 5, 10 lakh 6. Understood? Now, we learned in tens, hundred, thousands, we learned in 2 digit and we learned in 1 digit and we learned the names of the multiplication. Now we are going to work out in 3-digit number. So we put 645 into 362. How will you multiply? Multiply in units place first. Take your first number 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 1 carry over. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 6s are 12. One number we multiply by the units place, so below this we should put plus because one number. Next, 6 5s are 30. 0 3 carry over. 6 4s are 6 1 6 2 6 1s are 6 6 2s are 12 6 3s are 18 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 27. So 7 will come here, 2 carry over. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38. Got it? Next. 3 5s are 15. So how should we put the plus before multiplying? Second number. So plus, plus. Got it? 2 plus. Now 3 5s are 15. 5, 1 carry over. 3 4s are 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. Why? Because 3 5s are 15, 1 carry over, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. 3 1 carry over. 3 6s are 6 1s are 6, 12, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. Got it, children? So 0, 9, you have to add this. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4, 1 carry over. 8, 9, 10, 13, 3, 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 1 carry over. it becomes 3. Got it? Sorry, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2, 3, 3, 4, 9, 0. This is the way you multiply. Okay. First you should multiply your units, then tens, then 100. 2 with all, 6 with all, 3 with all. When you multiply first digit, the next one you get a plus below that. Then after that plus plus. Got it? This is the way to multiply 3-digit number. Understood, children? Okay, children. So let's start working. Open page 109, the first page. In first page they have given multiplication. We are going to work this out. Okay. Starting you have 63 into 4. 63 into 4. How will you multiply? 4 3s are 4 6s are. Got it? One number is easy to multiply in vertical format, but other should be done in horizontal. Understood? 4 3s are 12. 2, 1 carry over. 4 6s are 24, 25. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. Got it? Now 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carry over. 8 8s are 64 plus 4, 68. Got it? This is the way you should work out. I worked out the 5th one, the 8th one. The remaining you have to do. The 1, 2, 3 is already done in the textbook. You have to work the rest of it along with this. Okay, I will be asking you the answer. Don't forget about that. Next, exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, can you, as soon as you look into the question, you will know. Actually, this is very easy, children. Just see it. 35 into 1, 35. 1 into dash is 95. What you get 1 into 95 is 95. No, 1 into 95 is 95. 869 into 1 is 869. So this one, what is the answer of 1 into 15? 15. Easy, no, children. Multiply into 1. So H, D, F, and H. Okay, I have worked it out. You please work out the rest of the sums. Understood? The next second main, B. 105 into 125 is equal to, see, 105 into 125 is into 125 into 105. We are repeating the question like 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. Communicative property you know, no? Same thing. So, 1 into 5, 105 into 125 is equal to 125 into 105. Got it? Next, 84 into 57 is equal to 57 into 84. Simple, children. You no need to think so much also. It is not some science or something. It is very easy. Here you are not at all using your mind. It's very simple. Direct answer. Into 1 and same what is the question you are writing. Understood? Next, 66 into dash is equal to 12 into 66. What number is missing? 12. Got it? B, D, F I have done. The rest of the thing you will work it out. Got it? Now third main. Third main. C, D, E I am doing. Okay. C, D, E. Okay. 84 bracket 49 into 51 is equal to dash into 49 into 51. What number is missing? 84. 84. Next. 12 into 5 into 14. 12 into 5 into 14 is equal to dash into 5 into 14. 12 into 5 into 14. Got it? Next. 6 into 3 into 2 is equal to 6 into 3 into 2. Easy, no, children? You will get so nice marks if it's like this. Just go through this. I don't feel anyone would have doubt in this because this is very easy. Let's move on to the fourth one. Fourth one, D and E I am doing. D and E. 27 into 75 plus dash is equal to 27 into 75 plus 27 into 18. Children, the fourth one, right? It is of two types. Okay. Fourth one is of two types. See, Fourth one example I'll tell you. You have 6 into 2 into 3. Okay. You will write 6 into 2 and 6 in, plus 6 into 3. See. 6 into 2 plus 6 into 3. This 6 is there into 2. 6 into 3. This is also in the associative property. We are doing as group. We can also do it this way. Okay. See, 6 into 2, 6 into 3. Got it, children? This way you do. Understood? 6 into 2, 6 into 3. Got it? The same way, 27 into 75 plus what number? You got 27 into 75 plus 27 into 18. So, what number is missing? 18. It's given here, see. Next, 5 into 20 plus 17. 5 into 20 plus 5 into 17 you should do. Dash into 20 plus 5 into dash. That means 5 into 20. So 5 into 20 plus 5 into 17. Got it, children? Your answers are in your question itself. You no need to go search. You should only know the method, the way to do. Okay? Go through this, understand and work it out, children. Now fifth main. Fifth main, multiplying in hundreds, thousands, tens. Very easy. I have 68. I put 68. How many zeros? 0, 0. I have 125. 125 into 100. I have 2 zeros. 2 zeros. I have 1542. 1542. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Simple. I have 4 numbers. 8, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Got it, children? C, D, G, H I did. The rest of the thing you should work it out. Understood, children? Next, sixth main. Sixth main, you have 50 into 35 into 2. 50 into 35 into 2. How you should do it? 50, can you see? Into 35 into 2 plus is equal to 50 into 35 into 2. You use the same way of multiplying. Understood? See. Same thing we are doing in associative property. We are separating it. So 2 into 71 into 500. 2 into 71 into 500 is equal to 2 into 71 into 500. Got it? Next, 625 into 5 into 1000. So, 625 into 5, 625 into 5 into 1000 is equal to 625 into 5 into 1000. Got it, children? You are only separating it in two groups. Understood? Here we complete exercise 4.1. Any doubts? Ask me in the interactive session. Okay? Thank you.